So let's talk about one of the most incredible turnaround stories in modern tech. A story that was engineered, quite literally, by one visionary leader. We're talking about Dr. Lisa Su and the revolution she led at the semiconductor giant AMD. Let's get right into it. How do you take a company that's teetering on the edge of collapse and grow its value by over 5,000%? I mean, just look at that number. It's staggering. It takes a lot more than just a new marketing plan. It takes a complete, ground-up technological revolution. And at the very heart of that revolution was an engineer who decided to bet the entire company on one single audacious plan.
You know, to really get a sense of just how massive this achievement was, we have to wind the clock back about a decade. Because before Lisa Su took the helm, AMD was in a really tough spot. It was struggling, its products just weren't competitive, and things looked grim.
This number right here, this is what rock bottom looks like. Back in 2012, AMD's stock price hit a low of just $1.86. And that wasn't just a number on a screen. It was a loud and clear signal that the market had pretty much lost all faith in the company's ability to innovate.
And this just highlights the incredible mountain she had to climb. In 2014, the very year Lisa Su was appointed CEO, the stock finished down over 31%. Think about that. She wasn't just taking over a struggling company, she was taking over a company that was actively shrinking in value and fast.
So, who do you call when a technology company is failing because of its technology? Well, it makes sense, right? You call an engineer. Lisa Su brought a fundamentally different way of thinking to the CEO's office. It was all grounded in one core belief. The only way out was to build better stuff, period.
And her background, I mean, wow. It is nothing short of formidable. An immigrant from Taiwan, she went on to earn not 1, not 2, but 3 degrees in electrical engineering from MIT. Then she spent 13 years at IBM, where she played a huge role in developing the copper interconnects that literally changed how chips perform. So when she took the top job at AMD, she wasn't just another manager, she was one of the world's leading experts in the field. Now, you might expect some super complex 50-page corporate turnaround strategy, right? Nope. Su's plan was actually disarmingly simple, but incredibly powerful. At the very top, step 1, create great products. She knew that everything else, building back trust with customers, simplifying how the company worked, all of it would flow from that one relentless focus. She put engineering right back at the center of everything.
Okay, but building great products from where AMD was, that required a monumental gamble. The company didn't have the money to try a bunch of different things. It had to pour every last resource it had into one single next-generation technology that would either save the company or bankrupt it. It was a true all-or-nothing moment.
And that bet had a name, Zen. Now let's be clear, this wasn't just another product update. This was a complete tear-it-down and start-from-scratch redesign of AMD's core processor architecture. The whole idea was to focus on a revolutionary modular design to dramatically boost performance and efficiency. It was years in the making, and it absolutely had to be a home run right out of the gate. There was simply no room for error.
And this quote from Su herself just perfectly captures the spirit of that whole decision. She understood that for AMD to even survive, it couldn't be timid. It had to get back to its roots as a tech leader, and that meant taking a massive, but, and this is the key word, calculated risk. The bet on Zen was the ultimate expression of that entire philosophy.
So, did the bet pay off? Oh yeah, it paid off spectacularly. The launch of products based on this new Zen architecture wasn't just a success, it was a revolution that completely upended the entire processor market.
Just look at this timeline. It's wild. In 2014, she takes over a company that's basically in a nosedive. Just 3 years later, in 2017, AMD launches Ryzen for consumers and Epic for the super important data center market. And these weren't just competitive products, they were market-leading products that put their rivals on the defensive for the first time in a very long time.
The impact was immediate, it was dramatic. Before Zen, AMD's market share was just languishing in the single digits. After the launch of Ryzen, it shot up to nearly 11% almost overnight and has just kept climbing ever since. It fundamentally rebalanced the power dynamics of the whole industry.
And you better believe Wall Street noticed. Just look at these annual stock returns, a nearly 300% gain in 2016 alone, just in anticipation of Zen. And then it's followed by year after year of stunning growth. This wasn't some one-time pop. This was a sustained, explosive transformation of the company's value. And this brings us right back to where we started. From a market cap of around $3 billion when she took over to well over $200 billion today. That's the 5,000% increase we kicked things off with. It's without a doubt one of the greatest corporate turnarounds of the 21st century.
But the story doesn't end there. Not even close, because by saving AMD, Lisa Su perfectly positioned the company for the next great technological race, the race to power the future of artificial intelligence.
So today, AMD is taking all of that engineering horsepower and aiming it squarely at AI. They've built one of the broadest product portfolios out there. We're talking CPUs, GPUs, and other specialized adaptive chips. This lets them power a huge range of AI workloads. And yet, they are once again taking those bold, calculated risks to challenge the big players in the AI space.
And here's a fascinating, kind of wild twist to this epic tech rivalry. The CEOs of the two main competitors in the AI chip race, AMD's Lisa Su and Nvidia's Jensen Huang, they're actually first cousins. It just adds this really unique, personal layer to one of the most important business battles of our time.
Lisa Su sees the AI revolution with total clarity. She's called it the most important technology in half a century. That really frames the stakes of this next chapter, not just for AMD, but for all of us.
Which leaves us with this final critical question. She engineered a comeback that almost nobody thought was possible, turning an industry underdog into an absolute powerhouse. Now, as AI defines this next technological era, can she do it again and lead AMD all the way to the top? I guess only time will tell.